parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I know I'm looking a little cray, but I'm not. I'm just about to style my hair. I've had several people ask me when I'm going to be posting videos, if I quit, and to be honest, I've just been procrastinating and I just need to be a little more consistent. So I'm going to try to be as consistent as possible. So here I am recording something that I would not normally record, but I should normally record because I style my hair all the time and I don't record it. It's a shame. But I'm here today to record some twists. I've been meaning to do some twists in my hair for the longest while. I've just been playing around, and today is the day I'm gonna do these twists because I really want twists in my hair. So I've already prepped my hair. I parted my hair from top to my ear, from the middle to my ear, from the middle to my ear, and then I have this little piece, and then I have two sections in the back. My hair is freshly washed and it's a little damp, but it's not like wet, so it's gonna dry out. Let me get the hair that I'm going to be using to show you. So this is the hair I'm going to be using. This is the RUWA Afro twist hair, and I only have 2 packs. I just want to mix it in with my hair to give it like a more full look. So that's the goal. So I'm going to start the back, and then I'll come and I'll show you guys like how I do it. Yeah, that's the goal, because I'm going to be watching some TV while I do the back, because the back is going to be really boring. And then I'll come and I'll record the front so y'all can see, like, you know, how I do it. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I did a pretty sub job at recording this tutorial, but here is the final product, the final twist. And I've been rocking this for like 2 weeks now, so it might look a little frizzy. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to redo the front so that you can see my method of installing the twist. And yeah. Okay, so there's no one way to do twists. It's whatever way feels comfortable for you. So here I have this portion here. So you can either separate them in 3, letting the middle piece be like the smallest, the thinnest piece, right? And then you can take the twist and put one on one side, another on the other side, because there's 3 sections, and then just go ahead and braid it as normal, how you would normally braid your hair. And then, so because this is a twisted style, you would braid it in 3 first, probably like down to hair, and then begin twisting. So that one looks with the double twist. Now, for this side, I'm gonna show you another way to do the twist. This is going to be 3 strands. So I have 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm gonna separate it in 3. Braid it down. So my favorites go-to style.